More on MS Windows 7 Chapter 3. This chapter covers about Windows 7, wallpaper, screensaver, Windows color, gadgets, icons, control panel, sound recorder, games. About Windows 7. The computer is made up of different parts and does so many works at a time. It also requires a manager for itself. The manager in a computer is called the operating system. Microsoft Windows operating system has many flavors called versions such as MS Windows 95, MS Windows 98, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows 7, MS Windows Vista, etc. Windows is an operating system for computers developed by a company called Microsoft Corporation. An operating system performs some important functions. It provides the basic rules according to which a computer should work. It helps the computer programs to recognize all inputs and sends output to the monitor. In fact, we can say that an operating system works like a traffic policeman. It makes sure that different programs in the computer work properly. Some computers also run on Macintosh, which is an operating system provided by Apple computers. Wallpaper. The background picture of a desktop is known as a wallpaper. It can be either a colorful picture or a simple monocolor screen. Changing the desktop background. The background of the desktop can be changed to give a new look to the computer screen by following the given steps. Step 1. Select any empty area and right click on the desktop, then click on the personalize option. Step 2. Click on the option desktop background, a new window appears. Step 3. From picture location, choose any option and select the picture you want. Pictures can also be adjusted to using picture position. Step 4. Click on the Save Changes button, thus the desktop. Activity. Right click on the desktop and click on Properties option. You will get the Display Properties dialog box. Click on the desktop type. You will get various background options. Select any background of your choice and click on OK. We can also change the screensaver as per our choice by following the given steps. Step 1. Right click on the empty area on the desktop and then click personalize option from the pop-up menu that appears on the right click of mouse. Step 2. Select the screensaver option. A new window opens up. Step 3. Choose any screensaver from the screensaver list box on clicking the preview button. Step 4. Set time in minutes in the wait box after which the screensaver starts. Step 5. Click the apply button. Step 6. Click the OK button. Thus, the screensaver of computer is changed according to the selected option. Windows color. The color was Windows border. Start menu and taskbar is changed by using this option. Changing the Windows color. There are following steps to change the Windows color. Satyanath Eka is the CEO of Microsoft. He is also credited with leading the team, which developed Office 365, SkyDrive, Xbox Live and other Microsoft Code Analytic application. Step 1. Right-click at an empty area on the desktop and then click on the Personalize option. Step 2. Click on the Windows color option. Step 3. Select any color as per your choice. Step 4. Click on the Save Changes button. Thus, the color of windows of the computer changes as per your choice. Gadgets. Mini programs that provide information and easy access to the frequently used tools are called gadgets. Calendar, clock, weather, CPU meter, currency, free handline are some of the Windows 7 gadgets. Adding the gadgets. There are following steps to add the gadgets. Step 1. Right click at any empty area of the desktop and then click on the gadgets option. The gadget window gets opened. Step 2. Double click at the gadget that is to be placed on the desktop. The gadget gets placed on the right side of the desktop. Here are some of the Windows 7 gadgets. Small pictures representing a file, folder or a program on the desktop are known as icons. Any program can be opened directly by double-clicking on its icon. For example, recycle bin, network, computer, etc. Clock, it displays the time. Slideshow, it shows the continuous slideshow of pictures on desktop as its background. Weather, it gives the weather information of any place around the world. CPU meter, it monitors performance of CPU. The shortcut key to create a new file is Ctrl+N. Microsoft was accepted to sell 300 million copies of Windows 7 licenses by the end of calendar year 2010. Recycle bin acts as a dustbin. It shows deleted files and folders. Saved files or folders on computer connected to the network are displayed on clicking this icon. List of hard disk, CD drive and pen drive are displayed on clicking this icon. Control panel. It consists of special tools to change the look and behavior of Windows. It also helps us to adjust settings that make our computer easy to use. There are three different views: category, large icon and small icons. To see the adjustment of the control panel of Windows 7. For example, we can change the setting of the mouse by replacing standard mouse pointer with the animated icon that move on the screen. Opening the control panel window. The following are the steps to open the control panel window. Step 1. Click the start button. Step 2. Click the control panel. The control panel window appears showing various options and each option having its own specific purpose. Sound recorder. The sound recorder program to Windows records the user's voice by using a microphone attached to the computer. Recording voice. The following are the steps to record voice. Step 1. Click Start button. All programs, accessories, sound recorder. The sound recorder program gets opened. Step 2. Click the Start recording button from the sound recorder program. The timer starts stop recording. Step 3. You want to record. Step 4. Finally click the stop recording button, saving the recorded voice. The recorded voice can be saved in a file. When the sound recorder window is closed, the Save As dialog box appears. The following are the steps to save the recorded voice. Step 1. Name the audio file in the file name text box. Step 2. Click on the save button, thus the recording is saved. Games. A number of inbuilt games are installed in the Be Played by clicking the desired option. Some of the inbuilt games of Windows 7 are opening game. To play a game, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Start a All Program Games. Step 2. Choose and click the game you want to play. To know the rules, click the Help menu. Exercise A. Tick the correct options. 1. Which of the following is not a program of Windows 7? 2. Which of the following options should we use to change desktop color and background of Windows? 3. After booting the computer dice is seen. 4. Which of the following is not a gadget? 5. Which one of the following displays the list of deleted files? D. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. C. Choose appropriate words from the box and fill in the blanks. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is wallpaper? 2. What is the Windows desktop? 3. How will you change the desktop background? D. Answer the following questions. 4. What do you mean by gadget? 5. Give 3 examples of gadget.